Hi folks, welcome back to another episode of whatever this is. I'm Dave Conrey, and today we're going to make a poster because the thing I wanted to make wasn't possible. So we're going to do this instead. Why are you so aggressive, Dave? Okay, so what happened was I was doing a video and it was all about InDesign. I was doing another InDesign 101 because it's been a while since I've done one. I said I was gonna do one before and I didn't do one before. I started to work on that and then I did the whole screen share thing where you see what I'm doing on the screen, and it was too long and too winded and it wasn't good. So I'm gonna go back to the drawing board on that one, redo that portion of it so that it makes more sense to people and you're not going to sit here for 45 minutes trying to figure out why the hell am I talking about this thing for so long when it could be done a lot shorter. Instead, today you get me designing a poster for Game of Thrones. Because Game of Thrones, if you're watching this on the day that I release it or the couple days before, then yes, Game of Thrones is back! Season 8 is finally here! And we are it's gonna be glorious. And then we're gonna be sad because it's gonna be over. But as I said, I'm designing a poster, so let's get into that. Go. All right, so there you go. There is my poster design, my Game of Thrones tribute poster design. That is available right now on both my website and on my Etsy. I will link to those things in the description. You can check that poster out there and many others as well. So if you want to get your hands on something else I've done. This poster is a little bit different than some of the other stuff that I've been doing, but I decided to do something a little bit more commercial just because of the momentous occasion of Game of Thrones is back. But let me ask you, are you a Game of Thrones fan? I'm guessing if you found this because of how it's titled and some of the trickery I used in the description, I guess if you found it, then yes, you are a Game of Thrones fan. So my question then to you is, what is your prediction for Season 8? What is going to happen in the first episode and what's going to happen throughout the rest of the episode? I think it's going to be a little bit cooler. They're supposed to be longer, like 2 hours long. Each one's almost like a movie, but there's going to be fewer of them. So I'm a little bit back and forth on that. Part of me is thinking like, I don't know if I can sit down every Sunday for 2 hours, but we're going to give it a shot. If I'm going to sit on the couch for 2 hours to watch Game of Thrones on Sunday, then I've got to do some more work now. So I'm going to get out of here. If you enjoyed this, please do me the favor of doing the likes and the thumbs and all the things that you need to do. Subscribe and like the page and do all that other stuff. And because I do this for your love and I need you to show me. On that note, I'm out of here. Remember, folks, be good today, be better tomorrow. The North remembers. See ya.